To switch from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics filters, you need to understand the basics of both systems. Universal Analytics is an older version of Google Analytics that is being phased out in favor of Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics filters are used to modify or exclude data in your reports. First step is to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. This is necessary because Google Analytics filters can only be applied to Google Analytics 4 properties. To do this, log in to your Google Analytics account and click on the Admin button. Then click on Create Property and follow the prompts to set up your new Google Analytics 4 property. Next step is to set up data streams in your Google Analytics 4 property. Data streams are used to collect data from your website or app. To set up a data stream, click on the Data Streams option in the Admin section of your Google Analytics account. Then click on Add Stream and follow the prompts to set up your data stream. Now that you have set up your Google Analytics 4 property and data streams, you can start applying filters. To apply a filter, click on the Admin button and then click on Data Quality. Then click on Filters and click on Add Filter. Here you can choose from a variety of filter types such as include or exclude traffic from specific IP addresses or exclude traffic from specific domains. When applying filters, it is essential to test them to make sure they are working as expected. To test a filter, apply the filter and then check your reports to make sure the filter is excluding or including the correct data. It is also essential to regularly review your filters to make sure they are still working as expected and to make any necessary adjustments. Best practice is to use filters to exclude internal traffic such as traffic from your own IP address. This will help to ensure that your reports are accurate and not skewed by internal traffic. Another best practice is to use filters to exclude spam traffic such as traffic from known spam domains. This will help to prevent spam traffic from affecting your reports and will help to ensure that your data is accurate and reliable. In conclusion, switching from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics filters requires creating a new Google Analytics 4 property and setting up data streams. Then you can apply filters to modify or exclude data in your reports. It is essential to test and regularly review your filters to make sure they are working as expected, and to make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics data is accurate and reliable.